Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the My Mini Baby Sweethearts Edition. Let's open it. Here it is. Here's the capsule. Let's unbox. How cute. Okay, let's take a look at the collector's guide. Okay, so I got this one last time, so I'm hoping it's this one or any of these three. Let's see what we get. Okay, let's take a look at the bed. Oh no. Oh no. No, I already have this one. Oh man, I already have this one somewhere in my room. I don't want another one. I was hoping it was something new. Yep, here is the swaddle, the pillow, and the hat. And I'm guessing the same baby is in here. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together. Let me grab it. Here's my first one. Okay guys, here it is. Next to each other. They're like literally twins. I love how soft the bed is though. I was really hoping for this one, or this one. I was really positive it was gonna be this one because it's a bed. But I guess not. Bye guys, thank you for watching.